This is Patrick Lifty with another animation tutorial. And this is probably just one of the most basic ones you can do. This is basically what you call pan shot. This is basically taking a large background and just moving it with a single keyframe to just give you just an idea of motion. This can be useful for basically looking like you're going from one place to another. This can maybe say you're going from one person's house to another. Anything that implies motion. So what I've done here is that I've been using the same animation that's 1027 by 3757. A lot bigger than our composition settings of 1920 by 1080 HD, which is what we always do. I'm doing 10 seconds. This will be really, really easy, really simple. So we're just going to take 10 seconds. We're going to scale this down and then just give it 2 keyframes without any easy ease or anything like that. And we'll scale it down just a bit so that fits in the frame for height. And let's just go and move this position in the x-axis, because you're going to look like you're going to be moving this left to right. So this was kind of similar to that in the parallax animation for the leopard. Not a problem. So all I'm going to do is just, and the reason why we don't want to use easy ease and have things start up and slow down, because of the fact that we don't need them to. In other words, all we're looking for is just some linear motion across the screen. And that's just about it. So all I'm going to do is that, if you notice, it's a lot bigger. There's one end, and I'll just go up here to start where the animation starts to end. And let's take a look at what this looks like. Well, oh, I know what I did wrong. I had my work area way too small. Okay, let's take a look at this. And actually, I think this probably needs to be no more than 4 or 5 seconds. Let's take a look at it again. Yep, I agree. It only needs to be about 4 or 5 seconds. Actually, I'll make it 3. And does this need to be any number of seconds for the assignment? Not really. I'm just looking at you to understand a principle, and that's it. And this one is just a pan shot. So I'll save this, make it a pan shot. And I'll have this online. And then let's render it. It's about as easy as you can get. But it can be really effective if you have good work. Okay, and then I'll just take this up here, and I'll put it in desktop, and I would say AD pan shot tutorial.com. And that's it. Okay. Hopefully, this all works out as needed. All right. So basically, for these camera shots, I'm just looking for you to look at 2 of the 5 that I've given you, plus the end credits, which are just super easy to do. And then you give me 2 of these shots plus the end credits, and that's all you really need to do. So, okay. Thanks so much for being along. We will see you in the next tutorial.